once again. My name is Adroid_Stitches. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, please do and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also give us a comment at the comment section box. If you've not forgotten, we did a short knicker pant. That was the part 1 of it. So now this is the part 2. Now to sew it. If you've not yet forgotten the way we taught us on how to do it. So as you can see me, this is the way to go about with it. Please stay tuned. As I was saying, this is the facing I was cutting the other time. I'm going to place it something like this. This is the pocket side, and also this is the flap side. So now we're going to open it like this, and also open it like this. And we're going to place our pocket on it, and this one too on the other part. So it's going to be something like this. Is equal. So that's what we're going to sew round. Already sewn the two parts of it. Then the next thing is for us to give it a notch and also to press it. When I'm done with it, then I'll let you know. Already, now we've notched the two parts of it, the two pairs. Then the next thing is for us to top stitches. Then we are making our top stitch at this part. So this is the way we go about it. Like stitching. And the second one, we can top stitch it too. We've given it a very good press, as you can see it. Then the next thing is for us to sew it on top, like on top of it. I want it to be like this, just to sew it on top. I want a stitch on top of it. So see, I'm doing it. When I finish sewing it, you can see this is the way it looks like. Then the next thing now for us to do is the main pocket. To insert the main pocket. This is what we cut the other time. As you can remember, we made this part 9.5 and also this part make it 8. So by length is 9.5 and by this part is 8. So make it like this at the right part. Then you place this on this. Then we can pin. In order for us to have an accurate shape, so that it won't be running from there to there. So I've already pinned it. So this is what we have. Then you turn it to this wrong side. Then you make a fold. You can see me doing it. I folded this inside, and I'll fold this a bit to meet it, and then sew like this, and also do the same thing to the down part. Now this is the look of it. We've already given it a very nice ironing. You can see my hand inside the pocket, and also you can see the back of it. Very neat. Then the next thing we're going to do now is to join the flap like this to this part. Like you can see me doing it like this. And the next thing is to place it like this. Don't mind my shirt because I've already started marking some stuff on it before. So as you can see, we're going like this, half an inch. This is the way our pants is looking already. The side pocket and also this part, which is the flap. We've already joined it. This is the back view of it. And this is the front view. Now we're done with this frontal part of it. Then the next part now is we're working on the back part. this part of it still the same, half an inch. Then you can see me when I'm doing it. Just half. Now we've already joined the back. Now see the way it is. This is the way we've joined it, half an inch. Then this is the way it is now. The next thing now for us to do is to iron our band to fix the elastic inside of it. When I iron it, then you see the way I'm going to do it.